All right, so can I show you this idea? I've got a cabinet here. It's actually out of a cubby house, and look, it's got a drawer here. It's painted a ridiculous blue, and it's got a cavity in here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this into a drill cabinet. So I've got lots of drill bits, lots of different things that you can attach, and splayed bits and masonry bits. And so what I'm going to do is we'll turn this into a drill cabinet. And so the first thing I've done already, let me just show you this. This is going to be like an insert. So when you open the door, let me just put this aside. So when you open the door, this will be sitting in here, and then you'll be able to swing this out. So this will all have drill bits in it. Then you'll be able to swing this out, and then it'll have another row behind there. So that should work. And then whatever we put in the drawer here, so this will be like for brushes and grindstones and that sort of thing. So let me show you what this is like once I've put it together. So let me just show you what we've done so far. So I've put this, I've actually screwed the little door in, so that's working up all right, and that will fit. And I've started putting these drills in. Now what I wanted to do was to actually make it so I can remove it. So take it out. So what I've done is just put these little chocks in, and I'm going to put something down here just so that it can actually lift out. We've got another one at the bottom, but yeah, I've only got about half my drill bits there. I've got all these up here I want to get sorted, and I've still got some more down on the bench here. So yeah, it's a bit of a mess, but we'll get it tidied, soon get it sorted. Here we go. So here's what we've done so far. I've just given it a quick coat of paint, took the fancy bit off the top of the door, and have a look inside. This is where all the action is. So you can see what I've done in the first door. I've just added some drill bits, and there's all the little Torx bits and extensions that go in your drill, and larger drills down here. Now I've just made these on a little bit of an angle so that they stick out a little bit, and this is a little bit loose so you can actually lift it out. And here we go, have a look behind here. So I've started moving in here, so a bit of splayed bits, and then there's more of the little bits up the top there. Now there's a shelf that's going to go up here, and I'll put a shelf in, and I've got some little plastic containers here that will go up, fit up the top there. So here's where we're up to so far. So we're finally finished. Let me show you this. This has all been made out of recycled material. So I've got all the blades hanging inside the door, and the first door in here has got all the drill bits and little bits and pieces for your drill. And when you open this up, there's more drills behind here, and splayed bits down the bottom. And let me shut this for you, and I'll show you how the drawer works. Found this handle in the shed, and so there's a few more stuff stored in the drawers. So there you go, and already it's too small. You may notice there's no masonry bits in here. So what I'm going to try and do, I might actually even stick something, a bit of a ledge here, so that we can stick some more inside there. So there you go, there's your drill cabinet, job done.